look. I made one for you. And one for me.
You're eating this?
It's for school. It's boring. Hey, look. It's so cool. We can talk to each other through the wall now.
Can you hear me through the walls?
Only sometimes.
What about the other night? Could you hear me the other night?
A little. What was your dad so mad about? Where's your mom?
My mom's dead.
My parents are getting a divorce.
Hey. What happened there?
Just some kids at school.
Owen? Listen.
What?
You've got to hit back. You've got to hit back hard.
There's 3 of them.
And hit back harder than you'd ever dare. And then they'd stop.
What if they hit me back?
You have a knife.
What if that doesn't stop?
Then I'd help you.
Hugh? You're a girl.
Trust me, Owen. I'm a lot stronger than you think.
Come on. Come on.